Dear students, today I will teach you chapter 2, latitudes and longitudes. Now in this chapter, Earth is spherical in shape. It was difficult to locate a place on Earth. Spherical है, Earth का हमारा shape जो है वो spherical है, like orange. इसलिए उसमें places को locate करना it's very difficult. So our map makers devised a system of imaginary lines to form a net or grid on maps and globes. इसलिए जो मैप मेकर्स हैं उन्होंने एक सिस्टम बनाया, उसमें इमेजनरी लाइन फॉर्म की है, इमेजनरी लाइंस बनाई हैं, फॉर्म अ नेट और ग्रिड फॉर्म करने के लिए मैप्स एंड ग्लोब्स में. Thus there are a number of horizontal and vertical lines drawn on maps and globes to help us find the exact location of a place. इसलिए बहुत सारी हॉरिजेंटल और वर्टिकल लाइंस मैप और ग्लोब्स में ड्रॉ की हुई हैं, जिससे हम एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन, प्लेस की हम एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन फाइंड कर सकते हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट आई विल टेल यू अबाउट लैटिट्यूड्स. नाउ व्हाट इज़ लैटिट्यूड? लैटिट्यूड्स क्या है? Lines of latitudes are east-west circles around the globe. Now, latitudes are lines running from east to west. कहाँ से कहाँ चलती हैं ये? East to west चलती हैं ये. This is this part of east से लेकर के यहाँ से and the west. East to west चलती हैं ये. And these are the horizontal lines. Okay, now in this, equator is the 0 degree latitude. This is the equator, center part of this latitude. This is the equator. It runs through the center of the globe, halfway between the north pole and the south pole, which are at 90 degree. Now here the top part is this globe is called north pole, and the bottom part of this globe is called south pole. North and south pole के बीच में center part है. This is the equator, and we marked equator as a 0 degree. Okay, now equator marked 0 degree latitude, and north pole is marked, this is the north pole, and we marked north pole 90 degree N, and south pole we marked 90 degree S. Now next is, in this I will tell you, this is the equator line. Have you seen this? Saw this? आपको दिख रही है ये equator line है. Equator divides the earth into two equal halves called hemisphere. Two equal halves में divide करता है, उसको हम hemisphere कहते हैं. Now here the northern upper part of this equator is called northern hemisphere, and the bottom part of this equator is called southern hemisphere. Now the upper half of the earth is to the north of the equator. देखो ये ऊपर वाला जो हिस्सा है वो northern hemisphere होता है, और इक्वेटर का जो नीचे आधा हिस्सा जो है वो southern hemisphere होता है. Now have you understood this? Now how will numbering the parallels? The numbering of the parallels starts from the equator, which is located at 0 degree. This is the equator. We have start numbering from equator. This is which is located at 0 degree. Now parallels are marked from 0 degree to 90 degree. All parallels marked 0 degree to 90 degree. Now parallels are drawn at the interval of 1 degree. इनके बीच का जो interval होता है, this is called this. ये इनके बीच का जो interval होता है वो कितना डिग्री होता है? 1 degree होता है. ठीक है. Now there are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere and 90 in the southern hemisphere. Thus there are 181 parallels. Now the parallels in the northern hemisphere are marked in and the parallels in the southern hemisphere marked S. This we can see in this here, the parallel marked from 0 to 90 degree north hemisphere में there are 90 parallels, and same southern hemisphere में we have to mark 0 degree to 90 degree. There are also 90 parallels. Total parallel are 181, and northern hemisphere में will marked N, and here will mark S. Okay, and southern hemisphere are marked S, and the northern hemisphere are marked N. Now the important parallels. How many important parallels are there? There are first is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, and Antarctic Circle. Okay, now in this, first this is the equator, and the upper part of equator is Tropic of Cancer, north side. Okay, now Tropic of Capricorn is the southern in the southern hemisphere, and this is the Antarctic Circle. It is also in southern hemisphere, and Arctic Circle is in northern hemisphere. Now I thought you have understood it. Okay, now in next video I will tell you about longitudes. Thank you.